chain art.
My name's Dylan.
My name's Justin.
And we're a Filipino restaurant that just opened on May 25th of this year. Brand new. We offer all day breakfast, kumayan. Actually, it's shirt here.
Yeah. So
our specialty is our Bagnet, which is why we're called Bagnet Brothers.
Which one?
Bagnet. It's our specialty over here. Crispy pork belly.
Lift it up, hey, go give a close-up of the big one there. How it's different from others because it pops, the skin pops more.
yeah.
Not your typical,
Try to do it different. It's really crispy compared to others. Nice and golden brown. I mean, everyone's enjoying the food here, so they're coming back more for this.
One of our specialties.
Where is Bagnet from?
From the Ilocos region.
Oh, okay.
Ilocano, but our family here is Kamaling Tarlac.
Okay.
But we still cook it the Ilocano way. I traveled back home with the family in the Ilocos to try their Bagnet. Really good. And our interpretation of it over here, I can say it's just the same or even better.
Okay.
So come try it. Close up.
But it's also lechon kawali.
It's a different style. Lechon kawali is more Tagalog. This is more Ilocano cooking. So crispy on the outside, tender in the inside. You hear that?
Okay.
You can just hear the crispy.
Okay. So usually it goes with what? Vinegar?
So it goes well with our
Or do you have a special
Our
sauce?
homemade vinegar, actually. This is our own vinegar that we make home here in this restaurant. And we do sell them in bottles, except we're sold out right now.
Okay.
They come in like this size of our vinegar sauce.
Okay. And it's made from what? Coconut? Or
Sorry?
from coconut? Coconut palm?
Which one?
The vinegar?
Vinegar? No, it's a mixture of a lot, like different spices, sweet sauce, like mixed vegetables, all blended. But it's our secret. You gotta come try. Otherwise, you won't come if I tell you everything.
Okay.
You can try this one.
Here, try sample, Tito.
Hi, boss. What's up? Nothing much. Yeah. Everything.
All right, Jay, can you tell me more about Bagnet?
Sure. Bagnet Bros was created May 25th, 2018, just this year. We're brand new. There's four of us owners. We're the younger generation of Filipinos who grew up in the millennial times. So at this location, we're trying to do a crossover between modern and traditional food. So over here is our logo. The information behind it, as I can explain to you, is the pigs are pretty much our name, Bagnet. So Bagnet is crispy pork belly, and essentially pork belly is from your pigs. The different skin tones of your pigs is just to show the many different Filipinos out there. Where you have your dark skin like me, or the Filipino famous actors who are really nice and white, but just to show the different Filipinos out there. The bamboo on our font is to show the bamboo shoots in the Philippines to represent that we are Filipino. The black circle here is, if you look closely, is the charcoal grill. So it represents everything that we do here, like from grilling to frying, all that. You have your banana leaves up there, where we use for our kamayan, our bilao, our traditional stuff. And then you just have two pigs having a beer, because Filipinos love their beer. They're messy too. All the pulutan here. And yeah,
Okay.
that's what it is behind Bagnet Bros.
So you open 7 days a week, is that correct?
Yes. We are open 7 days a week, minus holidays.
So where exactly is your location?
We are located at 3522 Bathurst Street. This is actually 2 units, so you might see 3520 and then 3522. We are both 3520 and 3522 Bathurst.
You're close to Wilson Avenue and Lawrence.
We're between Wilson and Lawrence, but closer to Wilson. We are right beside Baycrest Hospital, just around before the 401.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
No problem.
Masarap talaga po dito. This is my second time. Pangalawang celebration. Bukas pupunta pa kami dito. So, it's a really good po. Bagnet,
Te-text ko siya, te-text kita.
good taste. Yun lang po.
So ano yung preference nyo? Yung price or is it the food?
Ay, hindi po ako nagbabayad kasi.
Oh my God!
Well, I'm telling the truth. Sarap, pero yung presyo, okay naman. Okay po.
Ano talaga hindi kayo nagbabayad o you were just joking?
Masarap po, pero siyempre, dahil hindi ako nagbabayad, pero okay lang po. Very recommend ang kanyang crazy price. Siyempre, masarap eh.
Ano bang kinain nyo ho?
Actually, seafood, yung preferably kahit ano ng noodle pie. Yeah. Yeah. Tilapia, ano ba? Mussels, sweet, shrimp. Puro grilled yun, di ba? Everything is grilled, so it's good.
Ano po pangalan nyo?
Ano po?
Hindi na? Okay.
Okay lang po, okay lang po. Ako po si Chit.
Shit. Okay.
So Chit, Manalang.
So yung buong grupo nagse-celebrate?
Mga pamangkin ko yan.
Itong kabilang table? Oh, okay. Okay.
Bagnet, yung I heard a long time.
Oh, baka gusto niya mag-comment ho?
Good food. Sarap. Yeah, it's good. Even the price is good.
Anong food yun? Which one?
Normally I had yung fish, yung tilapia.
Tilapia.
Boneless bangus, tilapia, mussels, shrimp, barbecue.
Siyempre,
The price is reasonable. It's good. And it's Buddha fight. It's Kamayan.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Ano masarap niya?